Hi guys, you are welcome to Expo GH IT Services. In this tutorial, we are going to look at Pinduoduo importation. Pinduoduo is a Chinese e-commerce website for mini importation, and Pinduoduo app cannot be found on Play Store, neither cannot be found on Apple Store, and therefore there is a way to download and install it. So kindly follow me as I take you through how to download and install the Pinduoduo app. So please kindly locate your browser. I am using Google Chrome, so kindly click on the Google Chrome to launch it, and then in the address bar type Pinduoduo download. Okay, so if you are using Android, select Pinduoduo download for Android. If you are using iPhone, select Pinduoduo download for iPhone. So I will select Pinduoduo download for Android. Okay, so I will select this one. You will get so many sites that you can get the app to download from, so many of them. Okay, so I will go for this Pinduoduo download for Android APK. So I'll click on it. Okay, so when you come here, please scroll down. So that's the app. Okay, so let's scroll down. You scroll down, then you come to this place, get the latest version. Okay, so you click on the arrow here. Now let me guide you on this. There are some of you whose phones, the Android versions are older versions, and for that matter, when you download the latest version, it will not work. So when you select the latest version and it doesn't install properly on your phone, kindly come back and then choose the older version. So you click on the get the latest version. Scroll down. Okay, scroll down, just scroll down, then you come to download. So click on download. Okay, so you are likely to see this file harmful, but please ignore it. Click on download anyway. So you see the APK file downloading here. You see it on top of your phone here. Okay, so when it is done, you see this file downloaded. Okay, file downloaded. Now assuming it finishes and you cannot see it, please come here, click on the three dots here. Click on the three dots here. Then you come to downloads. In this case, you will see the app that you have downloaded. Okay, so you click on it. Now we have finished downloading. So you click on the app. Okay, so first of all, if your phone is not set to install from unknown sources, you need to do that. So when you get this, don't worry, just click on it and then you click on allow from other sources. Then you select the radio button from here and then you click on OK. Just click on OK. Okay, then you click on the back arrow. Click to go back. Okay, so now do you want to install it? Do you want to install it? Just click on install. Okay, so you see app installed and then it will take you to this place. So we have finished with the installation. So please click on open. Click on open. We are at the login side. Okay, so now this is WeChat login and then this is login with phone. So now this is a long process. The WeChat login is a long process. So let's go by the phone login. Okay, mobile phone login. So kindly click on the blue text here. Okay, so it will take you to this place, that is mobile phone number login. This is your country region, and here you need to enter your country code here. +233 is a country code for Ghana. So if you are not in Ghana, you just delete it. Okay, so whichever country you are, you delete it, then you enter your country code there. After that, then you enter your phone number. Okay, so please, your phone number, because you have entered the +233, don't add the first 0. So I'll clear the first 0, then I'll click on this one. Okay, a code will be sent to the number that you provided. Good, so that is the code that has been sent. So you copy the code and then paste. Okay, so let me get the code. Okay, so that's the code. Okay, so it is 879187. 879187. So I'll come here, 879187. Okay, so let's see. Good, that is it. That is it. Okay, so we have been logged in successfully. Just close this one. Okay, these are coupons, so just close it. Okay, so just click on this one to go back. Click on it to go back. So that is it. That is it. We have successfully logged in into Pinduoduo app. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Always click on the notification bar so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be the first person to see it. So for those of you who want to join our premium classes, that's importation premium classes, I will leave links in the description column, so you can kindly click on it and then subscribe. All right, see you in our next tutorial.